Yeah, pending the research has been done, you know what I mean? I think, you know, I have to try to keep them safe and protect them, right? So, if it's approved and studied and verified, certified, I don't see a problem with it.
I have 2 kids. I don't think they're of the age. But if they were of the age, I think I strongly have them take the vaccine. Right? Because think about it. Back in the days, they must take vaccination. So I don't see why everybody is all over this vaccine thing. I don't have a problem with the vaccine. And you need to protect your children.
No, that's my forever opinion, because for this type of vaccine that they're designing, and I don't really trust it as how a lot of people wouldn't trust in it. So at the moment right now I'm an anti-vaxxer.
As I was speaking earlier with someone before, yes, but I'll let be of the age of like 15, 16, 17 and 18. My smaller one I would not, because I'm not sure of the body, of how the body would react to it. But you know, I'm happy that they found something for them, because at the end of the day when they go to school, we want them to return to school, and when they go back to school they're going to be hugging and kissing and jumping on each other, and the teachers alone just can't protect them. We have to protect themselves.
No, I wouldn't allow them to take it, because there's not enough information coming my way why it is to it. Because you walk now, you go into Congress and you set a law that if I'm affected by taking the vaccine, I cannot seek compensation from the vaccine company, nor from the government, nor from the doctor that administered to me.
A big daughter, she take it the two shots like me.
Yes.
And we are here, thank God. We didn't have any bumping, just look at body temperature, and that's it.
I have not given it much thought on immunizing my children, in particular my son. He's just 11 years old right now. However, I realize that there may come a time when the vaccines, based on the numbers going up of the cases, it may become mandatory for adults to take the vaccine. Where the children are concerned, as I said, I haven't given it much thought, but I'm hoping it may not be mandatory for them also.
There are concerns, but the concerns that are being banted about, a lot of it are, in my opinion, a lot of unjustified, non-factual concerns. I mean, the vaccine does have side effects which are mild, as so all vaccines from I can remember we were little kids taking polio, measles, rubella. There's always been an associated risk, very mild, and in this case it's been tested and tried, and I see where the vaccine itself is pretty safe. It's very, very safe, and I think the fruit that it can bear for us far outweighs the small discomforts and small side effects that may happen.